In today's episode, we will be learning how to make image and video transparent in Canva. In Canva, making images and videos transparent is straightforward. First of all, open up your Canva application on your mobile device and select Open one of your designs. After opening up your design where you want to add or edit the image, go ahead and select your image from the design page. After selecting the image, you will be able to enable these tool options at the bottom where you need to go ahead and select transparency. A slider will appear allowing you to adjust the transparency of the image. Move the slider towards the left to decrease the opacity and make the image more transparent. Move the slider towards the right to increase opacity. Once you adjust to your desired transparency level, click anywhere outside the box and you will then be able to apply the change. That is how you can easily make an image or video transparent in Canva. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.